This is the video I was telling you guys about the other day with my Letty Lou, my daughter's Letty Lou. And she got into something that she shouldn't have gotten into while we were at Publix. She may have been in there for 5 minutes. She may have been in there for 45 minutes. Who knows? But check this out. She's such a little stinker, and I love her to pieces. When you come home from Publix and you find this. Did you get stuck? What happened, Letty Bug? Did you get stuck? Are you somewhere you're not supposed to be? Letty Bug, we still love you. We still love you. Oh, I can't stand that face. Happy baby. Happy baby, happy puppy. Be my happy puppy. Be my happy puppy. What are you doing? Did you have accident on your mama's bed? And now she got no blankie and no sheets? Letty Bug. You wanna come out? What's that? Letty Bug. You don't like your picture taken, huh? There you are. There's the baby. You're in the laundry basket. What happened? What happened, Letty Bug? Letty Bug. Sweet pie, I love you. Love you, Letty Bug. Letty, where's your mama? Is your mama? She gonna see what you did? It's okay. It's okay. I love you.